The new Taycan is optionally available with a passenger screen. You can set up your passenger screen here in Settings, Displays, Passenger Display. First option is brightness. You can lower or raise the brightness depending on what you need. You can also set what is shown in display mode. Currently, we have the vehicle name. You can also choose media, where it will show the current media playing. Here you can see we are in standby mode and it's checked. If you would like to turn on the passenger screen, you can do so by selecting this button. You can also turn on the passenger screen by selecting the screen itself. You can turn off entirely the passenger display by unchecking this box. The passenger screen was designed so that the driver cannot see it. As we slide into the passenger view, you'll notice it comes into view directly in front of the passenger. Now, there's a wide variety of different functions in the vehicle that are available for you to adjust or change. The first thing we'll look at is navigation. Now, this is great for a passenger if they want to add a lunch stop while you're traveling on your journey. You can search, and it has points of interest as well. You also have media, all of the media options that are available. If you would like to add another Bluetooth device or phone, you can do so in this area. If you'd like to change the settings, none of the functional vehicle settings can be changed from this menu, only comfort and convenience features. If you're a passenger on the racetrack, you can use the Sport Chrono app to keep up with those lap times. You can also watch Screen Hits TV in the car. Here on the passenger screen, you can enjoy any of the streaming services that you currently have an account for that are available through Screen Hits. You can also check the weather at your location or at your destination here in Weather. You can search for new destinations here. You can also view the news or instructions, which is basically the owner's manual, if there's something you would like to learn about your vehicle. As you're driving down the road, you can also use the cockpit. Cockpit shows you felt G-forces, miles per hour, and of course, a compass. You now can use all the features and functions of your passenger display in your new Taycan.